Are you overwhelmed with trying to figure out what men want? Do you wonder if there really is anything you can do to improve your love life? Would you like to stop feeling powerless about love? Average women everywhere are able to meet and keep great guys. Are they any better than you? Of course not. The difference is that they have learned the secrets to what men want. It's not that complicated. Men want a sexy, fun woman who is confident, caring, and relaxed. If this feels like an impossibly difficult list, just take it one step at a time. First, learn to make an unforgettable first impression. This is the biggest hurdle you face when meeting new guys. Creating a good impression is not just about looks. It's about attitude. If you are feeling down or insecure about yourself, that will come across in how men perceive you. The quickest way to build yourself up is to make some outward changes. Now, this does not replace dealing with the internal issues. It is just a way to jumpstart things so that you can get out there and feel comfortable meeting guys. When you feel good about the way you look, men will notice. However, if you only deal with your appearance, any form of rejection from a man will cause you come crashing back down. So you need to address the emotional reasons that are affecting your ability to connect with men. Next, find your inner vixen. It may be hiding, but it is there, and men need a little glimpse to feel excited about being with you. You don't have to go to any extremes, and you definitely want to keep it classy and sophisticated. Being a vixen is all about the power of suggestion. Give men a few little hints about what lies underneath the surface without throwing yourself out there in a way that will embarrass you. All men want a woman with a mysterious, sexy side. Finally, show him a little of your serious side. Men want women of substance, not just a pretty package. Let him know that when he unwraps the layers of your personality, he'll find a caring, emotionally connected woman who has a lot of love to give. Imagine what if you could make any man adore you, chase you, love you, and commit to you? Click Unforgettable Woman Advice and learn 77 secrets that 90% of women have never heard. You have got to see this. This article is contributed by Tina Jones. Tina is part of the Unforgettable Woman publishing team. She works together with founder Alexandra Fox and writes dating/relationship articles for women who want to understand male psychology, how to attract men, and find true love. You can find more about Unforgettable Woman Publishing by visiting their website.